Let's continue on this journey with WP Page Builder from Themeum, and I'm going to show you how to install it. I've got a basic WordPress up here and nothing in there except the normal theme that has been installed. So there are two versions of WP Page Builder. There's the free and then there's the pro version. Let's first look at the free version, which you can access from here. Go to plugins and select add new. Now you're going to type in WP Page Builder over here, WP Page Builder. And after you've done that, it's going to give you quite a number of page builders. You will see all the famous ones up there. And then you scroll down about here, and here you'll see WP Page Builder by Themeum.com. So let's install it. It's still very young. You can see even for the free one, only around 400,000 plus active installations. But I think these guys will grow, really, based on the amount of features in this free version, definitely going to grow. Let's activate it next. And then after that, that's about it. And the activation, yes, it's done there. You will see up here the label in the dashboard menu appears that says WP Page Builder. If you click on it, nothing special. It's going to give you the normal post types and exclude user role, things like that. You can make a few changes here. Let's just add a theme because you need to have a theme to work with WP Page Builder. You can also go to their website. They've got a lot of themes themselves, and you can sign up for that and use one of their themes. And I actually believe if you use their themes with WP Page Builder, it goes very well together. It's complementing each other. But if you want to use the free WP Page Builder, plus you want to use a free theme. Why my tongue is falling all over my teeth. Then you go and install one of the themes that we are all used to, that we know work very well. I'm going to just go for Astra because I already tested it with Astra. Search for Astra, and then we install it, and we activate it, and it will work very well. In the next video called WP Page Builder Basics, we will look at how to make the pages and how it works. But for now, you've got that and you've got your page builder. I've mentioned in the video, the overview video, that with WP Page Builder comes a huge amount of add-ons. You've got blocks, you've got layouts. It's really a fully fledged, it's really an amazing tool at this free version price point. But there's also a pro version, and currently the pro version focuses mainly on giving you more layouts. So if you are interested in more templates that you can use within your page builder, then go for the pro version. You go to Themeum's website, which is Themeum.com, and then you can go to click on Builder. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, this is where you're going to sign up, and you will see it's a single price. For one domain use, you get $39 US. But if you look at the club membership, definitely this is going to be worth your while because you can get all the plugins at $99 US, unlimited domain use, and all the themes for $89. If you go for these two together, you get it $150 US. Nice discount over there. You can check out the rest of their website. I'm going to already, because I've got a pro license, go up here to my account. When you click on it, it will give you this dashboard sitting over here. And then from the dashboard, you will find your pro version over here. And now you click on download it. I've already downloaded it. All you need to remember is that you have a license key over here, which I'm going to copy, which you cannot see because I don't want you to steal my stuff. And then we go back. Now we're going to install that pro version. You need to keep the free version in. You cannot just install the pro, you have to keep the free as well. Go to plugins, click on add new, and then you click up here upload plugins and choose your file. And then I'm going to go to my downloads and grab WP Page Builder Pro and install now. Give it a little bit of time. We can sing a song while it's doing that. That was quick. Activate the plugin. And after you've activated it, you may not think much have changed, but in your plugins, you will see that there are two instances of WP Page Builder. There's the normal free one, and here's the pro. Now go again to the label over here and you will see there's a license page. Click on that and that's where you're going to enter your license key. And all you do is click here and you're going to paste your license key and connect with license key. And once you get the green, you are all good to go. So now it has installed the free version and the pro version. I've activated it here. We are ready to look at how this page builder works. And that's in the next video here on WP Page Builder Websites for Beginners with JP, when we look at WP Page Builder Basics.